This year's Outstanding Student Teacher Award is Kim Brian P. Ricardo.
To express our gratitude and share reflections on behalf of the awardees and candidates, may we now hear a response from Mr. Kim Brian Ricardo, summa cum laude, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics.
To our esteemed inspirational speaker, Engineer Paul D. Tanawan, to the Honorable Mayor of Morong Rizal, Honorable Sidney B. Soriano, represented by Honorable Councilor Elpidio San Juan II, to our University President, Dr. Nancy T. Pascual, to the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Alan E. Conde, to our Campus Director, Dr. Nikki L. Tiratira, to the respected deans of our four colleges, Associate Professor Frederick R. Feliciano of the College of Industrial Technology, Engineer Michael L. Pascua of the College of Engineering, Dr. Wilma R. Lumangaya of the College of Science, and Dr. Genesis O. Di Harlo of the College of Education. To the chairperson of the Campus Committee on Honors and Awards, Dr. Charlton S.J. Pepaño, to our faculty and staff, to our proud parents and guardians, and to my fellow student awardees, a pleasant, triumphant, and meaningful morning to all. As the old saying goes, today is a harvest, a day when we finally reap what we have sown. Looking around this auditorium, it is easy to see this occasion as the culmination of years of hard work and perseverance. Yet behind today's celebration lies a story of resilience, sacrifice, and unwavering determination. The bright lights that illuminate this stage also reminds us of the challenges we overcame to be here. We endured the disruptions brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. We did not merely study, we persevered. We faced unstable internet connections, isolations, uncertainty, and anxiety. We also endured sleepless nights, moments of self-doubt, and the silent sacrifices made not only by ourselves, but also by our families. Every obstacle became a lesson, and every struggle strengthened our resolve. Standing before you today, one thought resonates deeply within me. This achievement is not mine alone. It is ours. Together, we navigated the complexities of college life. We did not simply pass term exams. We overcame moments of fear, exhaustion, and uncertainty. We survived demanding group projects that tested our patience, money, and teamwork. We embraced internships that challenge us to apply our skills in the real world. Many of us balanced academic responsibilities with part-time jobs, long commutes, family obligations, and personal struggles. Through these experiences, we learned that excellence is not measured solely by grades or awards. True excellence is found in grit, the courage to rise each time we fall, the determination to move forward despite setbacks, and the commitment to strive for something greater than mediocrity. None of us reach this moment alone. Therefore, it is with profound gratitude that I acknowledge the people who walk beside us throughout this journey. To our professors and mentors, thank you for guiding us beyond the boundaries of textbooks and classrooms. You taught us how to think critically, face failure with courage, and transform challenges into opportunities for growth. Through your wisdom, patience, and constructive criticism, you nurtured our potential and inspire us to become better versions of ourselves. You saw possibilities within us that we failed to recognize, and for that, we will always be grateful. To our parents and families, this recognition belongs to you as much as it belongs to us. Behind every award is a story of sacrifice. Many of our parents worked tirelessly to support our education while carrying burdens they often kept hidden from us. Some students became breadwinners themselves, balancing work and studies to help their families survive. Whatever circumstances may have been, we stand here today because of your love, support, and sacrifices. This harvest is yours as well. To my fellow awardees, thank you for being more than classmates. You became companions, confidants, and allies. You created safe spaces where we could be vulnerable during difficult times and encourage one another when self-doubt threatened to overwhelm us. Whether by sharing notes, lending laptops, offering Wi-Fi access, or simply providing words of encouragement, you demonstrated the power of solidarity and compassion. We reached this milestone because we chose to lift one another up. As we celebrate our achievements today, let us remember that these awards are more than symbols of success. They are reminders of our potential and promises of what we can become. They reflect not only what we have accomplished, but also the responsibilities we now carry as graduates of this institution. Today's theme, University of Results System, Empowering Graduates for Global Excellence and ASEAN Leadership, challenges us to move beyond personal success and become agents of positive change. Global excellence is not merely about professional accomplishments. It is about creating meaningful impact in the communities we serve. ASEAN leadership calls us to embrace our identity, honor our roots, and contribute to a more inclusive, progressive, and compassionate society. To our esteemed inspirational speaker, thank you for your profound words. You challenge us today not just to step out, but to move forward despite of the limited resources we have and to produce accomplishment that must meant for others. On behalf of the graduating batch, we accept your challenge. As proud URS giants, we have received much from this institution. Now, it is our time to give back. Let us use the knowledge, skills, and values we have gained to uplift others. Let empathy guide our actions, integrity shape our directions, and service inspire our leadership. Real change does not always begin with grand gestures. More often, it starts with simple acts of kindness, understanding, and responsibility practiced consistently each day. Above all, let us become trustworthy, socially responsible, and ethical leaders who value diverse perspectives and ensure that no one is left behind as we pursue our aspirations. Before I end, allow me to express how proud I am of every one of you. Congratulations to the outstanding awardees of the University of Rizal System Morong. May we move forward with confidence, purpose, and a commitment to excellence. Let us accept our awards today, not merely a recognition of what we have achieved, but as a challenge to demonstrate what we are capable of accomplishing in the future. Mabuhay ang University of Rizal System Morong. Mabuhay ang Batch 2026.
Thank you, Mr. Ricardo, for your heartfelt message representing your fellow students. Once again, Mr. Kim Brian Ricardo, summa cum laude, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics.